Ladies and gentlemen, this is a tutorial on how to set up a thumb drive using Rufus. And so I have a thumb drive plugged into my computer and I'm going to format it. So let's go ahead and run disk part. And this is disk part. Let's select disk. So a list disk, my disk is 29 gigs. I know that. It's not 931 or 238, it's 29, so it's disk 2. Make sure you get the target device you are looking for. And it says disk 2 is now selected, right clean. Then we'll exit, we'll set up the device. Just maximize your disk manager. Sometimes the drives hide. Let's go ahead and set up a FAT32 or an NTFS, whatever you like. Okay, good deal. So that reassures that the stuff is going to mount in Rufus. Let's go get Rufus. This is the Rufus site. It's got a lot of ads and stuff, but that's all right. Bam. If you get an ad that comes up, just hit an X, the X on this side of the ad, and this will download. I already have hundreds of Rufuses because I've downloaded it a million times. And this is Rufus. You need an ISO. I'll just use a Debian Live. And we're going to format a Linux system on this this thumb drive. So Planet, getting Debian. We'll get the Debian Live GNOME. I already have it. Good deal. So don't have to worry about that. My new volume mounted. Select ISO. Let's go ahead and select our ISO. And this is my ISO. And the partition scheme will be MBR. The target system will be BIOS or UEFI. The label doesn't matter what you label it, just label it something. The FAT32 will be default, 16 kilobytes. Quick format, create extended label and icon files, and that's all you need. And we'll write in ISO mode if this is your first time running Rufus and it requires you to download stuff from the internet, BIOS, grub stuff, just hit yes. And then OK on the device will be wiped. And this will take a little bit to format, and then you should be able to boot into this ISO. Okay, so Rufus is done formatting the thumb drive. Let's go ahead and close, and then let's go ahead and boot. Okay, so this is Debian, and it works. Everything works great. So yeah, we got a live ISO, we got a live Linux system, and it was pretty fair. It was easy, nothing to it. And so I hope you enjoy using your new Linux system. And if this helped you, then like and subscribe, leave comments, and I'll post more videos like this in the future. Until then, keep dreaming big Linux, and I'll see you guys on the flip side.